Alex used to live paycheck to paycheck. That story hasn't changed for millions in America. But today, he earns while sipping coffee, thanks to AI. This is his journey. Just 2 years ago, Alex was stuck in a 9 to 5, juggling rent, groceries, and credit cards. No time, no money, just stress. He tried surveys, freelance gigs, even drop shipping. Either too hard, too technical, or too time-consuming. Then Alex stumbled upon an AI-powered affiliate system, designed for people with zero experience. It was different. No websites to build, no coding, just copy-paste, follow the video steps, and the AI does the targeting. The system even writes for you. On day 3, Alex earned $49. By day 10, over $200. All while working 1 to 2 hours a day from his phone. The secret? This system taps into affiliate networks like ClickBank, and uses AI to sell the right product to the right person at the right time. Alex says this isn't magic. It's momentum, but only if you start. You need to take that first step. Click the link in the description and take back control like Alex did.